It needs some beating. Why? It needs to get damaged, Please. Nah. This time nobody can save you. Spaceship. Hello everyone, welcome to the Founder Gaming channel. So up until now our player was invincible. I mean, it used to get damage but it directly get killed. But now we need to implement some damage system, so every time our player hits an alien spaceship, it can get depleted. So that's what we are going to work in this video now. Let's begin. So first of all, we'll open our player script and we'll write our public float health, which will denote our health capacity. Initially it will be 100, but every time our player collides with an alien ship, the health will be reduced by 30%. So this was our public float health. Now here comes the code for the player's health. Public void receive damage. Yeah, that's how I'm going to name it. This void will be called from enemy script. Okay, so whenever our enemy player collides with the enemy, we want our health to be decreased by 30. Okay, now here comes the enemy part. So before, whenever our enemy character used to collide with the player, our player used to get destroyed, but this time it's going to be differently. We are not going to do the same thing again, and we are going to do the bit of the things professionally right now. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll get the handle for our player by writing this line of code. Okay, player is equal to collision is the material, and we have already checked that this script, this part of the code will only be called if our enemy has been collided with the player only. In other cases it won't do anything. So collision dot get component, and we'll get the component player itself. Okay, this is how it's done. And now we'll call the player damage script, which used to player dot receive damage. This will be called from here, and every time it will be called, the player's health will decrease by 30%. Okay, now destroy this dot game object. Okay, well, I checked and 0.5 seconds look to me like it's lagging, so I'm going to keep it like instantly. As soon as it touches the player, it will get destroyed, so it will look nice probably. Now let's just check how this looks. Make sure to save the script, otherwise it won't appear here the changes we have made. So yeah, there is the health 100 given. We can, if you want, you can decrease it or increase it, move around a bit as per your convenience. I'm going to keep it to 100. Okay, yeah, so our player didn't get killed, but our health has probably been decreased. Yeah, as you can see, it has gone to 70, now 40, and now it's 10. And as we haven't implemented the code for destroying the player game object when the health goes down below 0, so as you can see, player's health is in negative values, but player isn't destroyed. So we'll have to work for that. Yeah, if health smaller than 0. Destroy this dot game object. Now let's see if it works. I will save the script, and for quick testing, let's just make the player's health 20 initially, so we won't have the player to collide with 3 enemy spaceships. And yes, it's working fine as you saw it. Make sure you remember to save it. Just go here and publish all the changes. Implemented player damage system. Okay, it is getting published, and until it gets published, let's do another thing. Okay, so there might be an internet connectivity issue. Okay, now it has been saved. Make sure to do this practice. Start writing pseudocode for decreasing players. This will be like notes for your game development. If player health is less than 0, destroy it. I'm saving it, and here it will be. Get player component. If I miss out somewhere the pseudocode, you can go ahead and write it by yourself, and it's a good practice. Calling player damage receive script. Okay, saved. Let me just check. It was a pseudocode. I don't need to separately collaborate for that. I'm just going to save my game. And yeah, that was it for today, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks again. Go game develop.